Hey everybody, how you doing? Today's a new day, a new week. Well, it's Tuesday. I did not record yesterday. I was not feeling that great. I had like a headache, and since I think I had a headache Sunday, it was developing Sunday, and then it just kept going, and I thought it was leaving. Yesterday morning, I didn't really have one, and then it kind of felt like it was coming back, so I was like, no. So I just chilled yesterday, drank lots of fluids, my trusty water here. Trusty water, and yeah, I feel better today, but I still feel kind of like something is trying to come back, but I'm like, let's just drink this water, drink this coconut water, and let's try to push through it today because it's not bad. So here I am. Hello everybody. Hi. So actually Sunday, one of my sisters came over to do an alteration. She wants to see if I can alter her dress for her for Passover, and she wanted to see if I can alter her dress for her for Passover, and so I took a look at it, see what she wanted done. It should be pretty easy to do. I mostly just have to take in the sides. She got it probably, I think, like two sizes, a size or two too big, I think. But yeah, you'll see. I'll probably do it in a short style on YouTube or something and show the process of that or something. We'll see. I don't know, but I'll show parts of it during this video as I talk about it, as I was talking about it. But yeah, she came over Sunday and I took a look at it. Everything looked pretty easy, so I'm gonna take that on. I probably shouldn't be taking it on, but I am. I have some time until Passover, so I told her to possibly come back on a Sunday so I can do a fitting. That's if I'm able to get to it this week, since I kind of have a day taken away from me. Not sure if I'll be able to, but we'll see. Tomorrow I actually plan on getting up earlier. Normally I get up at 5 a.m. Lately, since I've been pregnant, it's been later. During the first trimester, it was like 10 o'clock almost. I would get 9, 10 o'clock I would get up, because I wasn't feeling great. I wasn't feeling well. I was nauseous, sick. Just getting up early was not in the cards for me then. So then more recently, once the first trimester was over, I started getting up at 7:45, between 7:45 and 8 o'clock. So that's when I kind of started recording again and putting out these vlogs for you guys. So yeah, and now hopefully, most High willing, I can make the transition into getting up at 5 again. The only struggle is I have to eat when I get up, so I have to figure out what I'm going to eat, because I basically have to have 2 breakfasts. Okay, yes, 2 breakfasts, because I already have 2 lunches. So when I get up, I have to eat something, or maybe make a smoothie or something. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that part out, because normally I get up, I come in here and I work on stuff, and then like I get everyone together, get the house together, get the kids up, and work with them, because I want to start doing that again, working with them in the mornings, because since I've been sick, I haven't been able to do that at all. So like barely work with them, barely. So, and I don't like it. So now that I'm feeling better and my water has been, I've been drinking my water and my fluids, and that's been helping me feel better too. So I'm gonna try to see, most High willing, tomorrow. Pray for your sister that I get up at 5, and it would also help with making this whole process of making these clothes go by so much faster, and I can just get done faster with everything, because I'll have more time to get stuff done. So we'll see. Pray for me, help us out, So yeah, that's what I got going on. Today I plan on finishing the front pattern, finish editing the front pattern to the skirt. That's probably going to be the only thing I get to today. Just trying to be realistic, since the other days I only get to do that one thing I say I get to do. So I'm going to do, and I don't have time to add anything else to it. So it sucks, but it is what it is. It's life for me right now, and that's where I'm at until hopefully tomorrow I can get up earlier. So I just have to make sure I'm up on my water, putting the content in the comments, put some water in the comments. Like, drink your water, girl. Drink your fluids. Stay up on your fluids, girl, in the comments. Please help me out. And for those of you who have my phone number, shoot me a text message. stay up on your water, girl. So you can keep doing this. But yeah, I got a suggestion from someone who likes to watch my videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for everyone who watches the videos. I really appreciate it. Sometimes I'm like, I don't know if people really care to watch, but some people do watch. So thank you for those of you who watch. I really appreciate it. One of my watchers gave a suggestion or some feedback of what they would like to see. Let's see, where is it? She suggested, I can't say suggested. She suggested showing more of your creative thought process behind your work, like how you come up with your designs, or even some cooking videos. So, and that came after, I think it came after her watching the last one that I posted. By the time this video comes out, it'll be like later. So it was this video that I think she might have seen, where I showed like some of the food that I had in the video. And so yeah, so thank you for your suggestion. I'm gonna try my best to do those suggestions as best as I can within my abilities. So thank you, I appreciate it. I'm going to try to do it. Woo! So now that I'm trying to get up at 5 again now, and maybe that will be more of a possibility. So we'll see. But thank you again, I really appreciate it. And if any of you have any suggestions or feedback, comments, just put them in the comment section, and I'll read them and let's try to see if I can make some moves on them. Okay, all right, but I'm gonna get back to work. I'm gonna get to work, and I'll see you guys on the other side of this. Okay, all right. Ooh, it's kind of warm in here. Thinking about opening up the window. It was chilly outside earlier, so I don't know. I'm not trying to freeze us out up in here, but like I said, this room gets warm. I may just crack the window open a little bit. I'm using this chair today. Hey y'all, how's it going? So forgive, I have the window / door open to get some air in here because it's a little warm. So I got pretty far. I'm pretty much done with the front pattern for the skirt, and it's only like 12 o'clock. I thought I would be done later than normal, because normally I'd have to do the one side of the pattern and then I'll be done for the day, but I have extra 30 minutes. Look at that, yay! So I may just go ahead and work on the ruffle part real quick and just try to get done with this as quick as possible, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna do that now, and then hopefully by that time I will be done with the whole thing, and then maybe tomorrow morning I can start working with the actual materials, okay? Okay. Alright, let me get started before I run out of time.
spirits. I don't think they truly comprehend. Tell them that you took me out the deep end. I know many who up in hell and I'm like, nah. Many got caught up in they pop before they fall off. I'm pouring this world and I don't care to be a baller. I just wanna praise you and approach your holy altar. And now I'm riding around with my crew. GOCC 144, but not without you. My righteousness is as filthy rags and I'm nothing.
Hey everybody, so I am done. I went over my time about 10 minutes, which isn't bad. I would have been done, but the bug guy came to spray our apartment down, so that kind of took away a little time, but it wasn't bad. So I got the new piece done. Boop. The only thing about this one is this angle is more sharper than my other ones. This one, see, it's more smoother going across. This one's more sharper going across. So if I need to, I'll probably just add a little bit and then just kind of curve it out like that so I can feel better about it. So I'm so used to it being more smoother like this one. But yeah. But yeah, if I decide to do that, I will. But for now, I'm going to be done so I can put these babies down for naps and I can eat something and drink my water and my fluids the way I need to. And I will talk to you guys later. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. Great day, great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are. And I will talk to you guys later. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. All right. See you guys later. Bye.
Not without you, I'm nothing out without you. I'm nothing out without you. Okay, I feel it. They got caught up all up in the lie so they can't see it. I just hope I make the book of life before you seal it. I know many listen to our words, but they don't hear it.